Good afternoon to everyone, and also especially our Madam Azia, which our lecturer for this subject, which is DCC 3133 Highway and Traffic Engineering. So today we will be presenting on our research on Four Lake Junction road accident in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. My name is Brian Yell, as shown here, and these are my group members: Joshua Lainor, Nikis Tyson, and Muhammad Nur Najwa. So, introduction. A road junction is a location where vehicular traffic going on different direction can proceed in a controlled manner designed to minimize accident. In some cases, vehicle can also change between different routes or different direction of their travels. An intersection is a road junction where two or more roads either cross at a grade but they are the same. Such a road junction may also be called as crossroad. Okay, for next one, which is background. So these are the few photos that we take from Google Maps, which will be showing. This is at Jalan Damai, Kota Kinabalu. So, for the backgrounds, in this case study, we'll be analyzing road at a Four Lake Junction at Jalan Damai at 300 Kota Kinabalu that is located as shown as in figure 1A right here. This road is connecting Jalan Kolam, Jalan Penempatan, Jalan Tunusin, and Jalan Lintas. We choose this place to do our research because during peak hours, at lunchtime, where all the workers will be going out to get their lunch, and it can be really busy and chaotic at the same time, and sometimes even causes an accident. As we can see on figure 1B, C, and D, there's a lot of cars lining up behind the traffic light. So, our objective for the research will be, we will be identifying the problem on the area that causes accident, and also we will be also doing research on how to improve the road by managing the road traffic so there will be less accident. Okay, so next one, 2.0. These are the figures that we take from a journal, an article on the road. So, as shown in figure 2, there was an accident happened on 19 January 2018, Friday, at 4:56 a.m. that causes two men killed in a collision involving a four-wheel drive along Jalan Kolam. So, according to the report from the police station, the duo was a Filipino man, which is 20 years old, and a 24 years old Indonesian man. They were heading from Jalan Bukit Padang to the city when the collision occurred at about 4:30 a.m. The city police chief commandant M. Chandra said that the accident happened at the traffic light intersection. The four-wheel drive had proceeded onwards at the traffic lights turned green on his side, and then the car with the two men inside crashed to the four-wheel drive. The Filipino man died upon arrival at the hospital, and the Indonesian man was killed on the spot. Meanwhile, the 34 years old four-wheel driver escaped with a minor injuries. So, the main factor that causes this accident is the two men ignored the traffic light and proceed to drive, and then they crash. Okay, that's all from me, and continuing on my other group members. Thank you.
Okay, first of all, solving problem conflict have four methods. The first one is swap threat analysis, and number two is intelligent traffic signal installation, and number three, traffic impact assessment, and number 4, traffic calming. Okay, first I'll describe sweep threat analysis. Sweep threat analysis, it is the analysis of the movement of a vehicle. The analysis helps calculate the movement of different parts of vehicle.
Method number 2 is intelligent traffic signal installation. Intelligent traffic signal All smart signals, as you may call them, use automate algorithm and real-time data to make traffic signal work intelligently. The smart signal have reduced the time cars spend on the traffic signal by sensing the traffic condition and adjusting the time that cars spend idling on a traffic signal. Okay, now I will explain about method 3, traffic impact assessment. Traffic impact assessment, as may we call TIA, is critical for the efficient management of the incessant road traffic. It is an analysis of the impact of project development, activities on existing traffic, and the improvement to mitigate those impacts.
And method number 4 is traffic calming. Traffic calming, also known as traffic management (LATM). This method is process of engaging with the locals in different localities to identify traffic and parking issues in those areas. It also coming up with solution and improve the livability, safety, and amenity in those areas. It is also includes installation of traffic calming devices such as speed bumps, like runabouts and bulb outs and more. Okay, now I would like to present about detail and traffic conflict. Okay, about the traffic conflict, how suggestion on reducing the traffic conflict. Okay, first we have to use the traffic control signal. Because of it, we may achieve road users more feel comfortable, safety, and will decrease the accidental. There's some advantage of this traffic, such as pedestrian safety.
I will explain the detail on junction geometric and traffic light design. As we can see, the approach is at north, so the PCU from north is 432.9. Next, from south is 344.7. From east, 527.65. From west, 551.4. And the last one, this is our calculation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tyson. Today, I will present the traffic light design and the conclusion. Traffic light design. Design and simulate an intelligent traffic light controller. Each side of the road has two lanes in addition to a left turn lane. The traffic of the two directions varies from time to time. The intelligent traffic light controller should be able to balance the traffic for the two directions to minimize the traffic jam. As shown in the figure here, number 1, the traffic light may have sensors integrated to provide real-time traffic information. Number 2, based on the traffic information provided by the sensors, the duration of green and red light for each direction may vary so that the traffic for both directions are roughly balanced. However, the time left for the green light should be displayed using 7 segments in green color. Number 3, when the traffic light for one direction is green, then the traffic for the other direction should be red, with duration also displayed using 7 segments but in red. Number 4, the red light and the 7 segment will be switched to yellow when the timer value becomes 5 or less before switching to red. As a conclusion, This case study required a lot of research and a good management skills in order to design a good traffic design. In this case study, we have managed to overcome the road problems that regarding the road accident at 4 Lake Junction at Jalan Damai, Kota Kinabalu. In addition, in roads such as busy as the area and also small roads around the area, they should have added bumps so that the drivers will be more careful on the roads. Also, the traffic light design was made so that we can provide more orderly movement throughout the intersection. We hope that after this case study, there will be less accident happen in that area, and hoping that the road user will follow the rules and law when using the road. That's all from our team. I'm Tyson Iki, and thank you for your time. Peace.